Hey, Holistic Living family! Did you know that 2 simple ingredients can supercharge your immune system naturally? Yes, I'm talking about spirulina and chia. But here's the thing. You might be missing out on their full potential. Curious? Stick around. In today's video, we're diving into how the immune support spirulina chia supplement could be the immune booster you've been looking for. You'll want to hear this. Alright, first up, spirulina. What's the hype about? You've probably seen it in green smoothies or energy bars, but do you know why it's considered a superfood? Spirulina is packed with immune-boosting nutrients like phycocyanin, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and support your body's defense system. And here's the kicker. Spirulina helps increase white blood cells, your immune system's frontline warriors. It's like giving your immune system an army upgrade. Now, let's talk about chia seeds. You've seen them everywhere, right? But here's why they're so powerful for your immune system. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and zinc, 2 key nutrients that help keep your immune system in top shape. Plus, those omega-3s reduce inflammation, which is crucial for keeping your immune system balanced and ready to fight off illnesses. Now imagine combining these 2 superfoods into one supplement. That's where the immune support spirulina chia supplement comes in. Together, they pack a 1-2 punch for your immune system. Spirulina's antioxidants and chia's omega-3s work together to reduce inflammation, boost energy, and support your body's natural defenses. And the best part, it's an easy addition to your daily routine. Now you're probably wondering, what exactly can this supplement do for me? Stay with me because I'm about to drop some benefits that might surprise you. Here's the real power of this supplement. 1. It boosts immune function. This helps your body stay resilient against infections thanks to those antioxidants and omega-3s. 2. It reduces inflammation. With spirulina's phycocyanin and chia's omega-3s, it's like a double dose of anti-inflammatory goodness. 3. It energizes you naturally. Spirulina is packed with protein and chia provides slow-releasing energy, giving you sustained energy throughout the day. 4. It supports gut health. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which is great for digestion and gut health, a key player in immunity. And 5, it balances immune response. Both spirulina and chia work together to balance inflammation and immune response, keeping your system in check. Wondering how to easily work this supplement into your life? It's actually super simple. Add it to smoothies. Mix it with your morning greens for an immune boost. Oatmeal or yogurt. A sprinkle of this mix on your breakfast for added energy. Water or juice. Just stir and sip, perfect for those busy mornings. But wait, are there any side effects? Good news, spirulina and chia are generally safe, but as with anything, moderation is key. If you're new to these superfoods, start slow. Some people may experience mild digestive discomfort at first, but your body will adjust. And remember, staying hydrated is important, especially when taking chia seeds. So, is the immune support spirulina chia supplement worth trying? If you're looking for a natural, easy way to boost your immune system, then yes, it's a no-brainer. Imagine feeling more energized, protecting your body against illness, and balancing your overall health, all from 2 superfoods. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried spirulina or chia before? Or maybe you've used this supplement? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're new to Holistic Living, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips, product reviews, and wellness hacks. We've got a lot more content coming your way. Thanks for watching, Holistic Living family. Stick around for our next video, where we'll uncover even more superfoods that could take your health to the next level. Stay healthy, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next one.